Hi, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to create spinning text like this. It's really intriguing and really cool effect if you all want to emphasize something on text basis on your video or on your clip. So I will delete this clip and then create a new one, and I will be showing you guys step by step. So I click the add the default text. You could use another preset text or effect text or text template. It's up to you. I'm using the very simple one, so I trying to write a spinning text, spinning with double N, or I think double N. Okay, spinning text play. That's nice. Now what you have to do, you have to bend this text. So you scroll down on the right panel here until you found this curve. So you're able to bend this text into some curve angle. So I'll make it 360 to make it like a circle. So it's already circle, and then you scroll up until you find the this uniform scale. You have to add keyframe. So I have to add the keyframe on the beginning. So I click this rotate. Make sure you make the keyframe at the beginning of your clip, of your text, and then I will go into the last second of this clip, and then I will add another keyframe. And don't move your line first. You have to rotate your text like this. So make sure this. I put the 350 degrees of rotating, so it will be rotating just as cool as you see on your screen. See, it's really cool. It's nice. And if you found this too fast, if you found this is too fast, wait a minute. Okay, I'm accidentally. So if you found this too fast, what you have to do, you extend your clip, your text clip, and then like this. For instance, I will use the 10 seconds. This is 10 seconds, and then I'll move the particular last keyframe into the last of this clip. So let's play it on. Wow, it's cool. Now you can do some like professional broadcasting text emphasizing on your videos. Okay, that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.